Gotta get warmed up first. A little farther.
Maybe the other day we were playing frisbee.
Oh yeah, and you got stung by that bee, right?
Yeah, right after Cody said it too.
Hey, what are the odds? We have so much bad luck.
Tell me about it.
Watch this one.
Shit, dude, you just hit a bird.
Oh shit.
Oh man.
Well, thankfully it's not the state bird.
How do you know?
I don't know.
Can't you get in trouble for this?
Not if we bury it.
I don't have a shovel.
I got an idea. Here we go. Let's do this. Wait, so you get down.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
What the hell? R.I.P.
I saw in a movie.
Sir Edmund II. Clever. I like it. Farewell, Sir Edmund II. May we meet again in the afterlife. May Poseidon be with your soul.
What does that even mean?
I don't know, it just sounded cool.
Well, this is like a funeral, right?
I think so.
Alright then.
What the hell did you put in that?
Remember that C4 in the back of your car?
I was saving that.
My bad. It's cool though, right?